What's up everybody? We are here with a tutorial on making of an axonometric diagram. Okay, we start by a rectangle to create a basic model in Sketchup. Draw some walkways and a couple of circles on the surface to put our trees in. I also should mention that I have narrated this video so you get the main point of the video faster. During the tutorials I try to mention some of the useful shortcuts to save you some time. I guess it's enough with the model. I put it in the parallel mode and export it in 2D as a JPEG. The rest of the work is done in Photoshop. So we're gonna need some textures. At first I find the proper grass and copy it to my Photoshop and put it on the green areas of the diagram. In such cases, I use mask to remove the unnecessary areas. Then we're gonna need to put some concrete on the sideways. I use a different brush to make the grass look more natural. I think that's enough. The next part is our wooden steps. When you're doing this method for your own projects, you better be more precise and more accurate in selection. Our next items are the trees. It's better to import PNG trees with no background, but if you can't find them, no worries, we'll use the layer style and remove the background. We also need a couple of people in bird's eye view. Feel free to use any method that you like, but try to find a fast one. At last, we'll do the shadows to make it more realistic. I'll remove the parts that I'm not gonna need. We can also use dodge and burn tools to darken or brighten the surfaces. Us humans do have shadows, right? The rest is just a matter of taste. You can add birds or something like that, or clouds are useful in some diagrams.
Fatality.
And our fatality is text to specify some parts of the diagram for our audience. So if you guys want to support me, please like, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it.